Today we're gonna bring the BLACK+DECKER grinder, coffee grinder. So we're gonna use this today. You can use it for other objects too, to grind too, other fruits and vegetables. You can grind here. So we're gonna put it to use today on coffee, fresh coffee. So let's go ahead and take a look and see how this works. Look how fresh it is. You open it up, the heat. Oh my God, this is beautiful how it looks in there. So we're gonna grind a couple of beans in here and start making some coffee. So let's go ahead and do that. Put that, I haven't connected yet at all, so. Okay, so we got the grinder connected. Now we're gonna put the case back. Now we're ready to grind. Just to let you guys know, there's no suction cups or anything like that. It's just the rubber ends on the bottom. But we're all set to go. Let's grind. There we go. Get that fine grind going. That's fine. So pick it up on the side, put a little container. Max it out. There we go. Make sure to disconnect it if you're going to start messing around with the inside for safety. Alright, so we're going to clean that out. 99.6 of you are not subscribers in my channel. I hope that the content helps you out and that you find it very useful, and I hope you hit the like and subscribe.